guys, welcome to my channel Bump Into Me. Today I'm going to show you how to make a door alarm. The things which you will need is a battery cap, a beeper and a cellophane tape. You could buy this on Amazon. Come, let's see how to make the project. Come, let's see how the project works. This is the battery, this is the battery cap, this is the beeper, and I have adjusted with some tape here. When someone comes without you notice, the beeper beeps like this. Now let's see how the connections are made. First we take the cap and put it on the battery like this. And then we get a piece like that. And then there are black and red wires over here and same over here. So whenever we connect black to black and red to red, it makes the sound. So we need to connect red to red like this. And then you just need to fold it so it is more tighter. So now this is the connections. So when you touch this, it beeps. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe here.